Hey guys, so this is the converted farmhouse that we are staying in for the weekend. It's really pretty. It has a 3-car garage, although I'll show you what the 3-car garage actually is when we go inside. This is the front of it. And we have horse farm here in the back. We have the barn across the way. And we have horses being trained and kind of like resuscitated over here. Right on cue. So let's head on in. Up on the front of the house, we have this nice little wraparound deck area with some Adirondack chairs. I really love the beaming here and like the peaked roof. It's really, really cute. But if we go in down here, this is kind of like the first area. You walk into the playroom. So this has a foosball table, ping pong table, and a piano which you can plug in and it plays itself, with a large TV up here. Now, what I thought was the garage is actually an indoor basketball court, which is really cool. So yes, you could use it as a garage, but the kids have all been using this as an indoor basketball court, which is tons of fun. Up the steps, we have the loft bedroom, which is where my 2 big kids sleep at night. And we are doing this rental with my husband's cousins, which is really fun. So they get to spend some time with their cousins. 2 beds up here. Back down the steps to the main level. You see the front door, which is really pretty. Then you have the little living space here. TV, fireplace, sitting area, dining room, and kitchen. To the left of the kitchen is one of the bedrooms, which I'm not going to show you because it's our cousin's room and I don't want to invade their privacy. Off the back here, off the back kitchen door is another deck overlooking the field where the horses usually spend their time at night. Right now they're in the barn and out working. And then over here you have even more sitting space. You can see one of them right there being let back in. It's a beautiful view. Coming back in from that outside deck, again you can see the beautiful fireplace. Downstairs I'll show you later because my daughter is napping. We have bathroom number 1. We have kids room number 1. And then if I just back out of there, over here is like a little sitting room, which leads to you ready? This giant indoor swimming pool. Isn't this massive? The kids spent all morning here this morning. So it's nice and warm. It's a heated pool. It's a warm room, so you can do this all year long. While my daughter's napping, I thought that I would show you our trip to the barn from this morning.
It's a lot.
Did you hear it? Hi, Jake.
Huge.
He is huge. Oh, there's the goat. Hi. I gotcha. Okay. Oh, hello.
Oh, you.
Oh, hello. Oh, hello, hello, hello. My daughter's nap is almost over, so this is the downstairs where my husband and I and my daughter and my youngest son slept. So there's like a living space with a TV, a bathroom, a little like bar counter, card table area, and then the closed door is the room where we were all sleeping, and my daughter is just getting up from her nap now, so I'll show it to you real quick. And also downstairs was this master bathroom with sink, shower, toilet, etc. So this is the one that we used for the weekend. So this was our visit to Prairie Fire Farms, where they rehabilitate horses and they get to live out their lives here. I think it's a really great organization, so check them out. Thanks for watching.